Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video I will be discussing about creating environment and global variables using script in Bruno. I am going straight to the demo. I have already opened Bruno. I have created one collection called Env Global Vers via scripting. I have created one request generate bearer token. It is supporting post HTTP method. The API is used from Airport Gap website. When you hit this request, this particular API will be generating a token. We have to pass the email and password. Here the password value is coming from a environment. I have created one environment called stage. I am clicking on the configure option. You can see I have created one variable called password env value. Its value is hidden since it is marked as a secret variable. I am going to hit this request. So this particular API is working fine. It has generated a token. Now we are going to store this token as a global variable and an environment variable using script in Bruno. I also have a global environment. Its name is global env. I will click on this configure option. You can see right now there is no variables associated with this global env environment. I am closing this one. Using script I am going to store the value of token as a global env variable. To do that, you have to use brew.set global. The key, you can give any name. I am giving name as global token. Now the value you have to give the this particular expression rest dot. You have to use the method get body. After that you have to use the JSON path. So you can directly go to the token part. I am saving the request. Now I am going to hit the request. I will show the global env before hitting. There is no variables. After hitting the request, there will be a variable global token created under this global env environment. And hitting the request, the token is generated. Now I am clicking on the configure option in this global env. You can see the global token variable that is generated in global env global environment. So this is how you can create a global environment variable. Next I will be showing how to create a environment variable using scripting in Bruno. I am commenting this line. There is brew.set env method. So I am creating one key called env token and using the same methods. I am saving the request. I will show the environment stage. Right now it has only password env value variable. After hitting this request, there will be one more variable getting added to the environment stage. I am hitting this request. I will show the stage environment. You can see the env token variable that is created after hitting the request. So this is how you can set a global environment variable and environment variable using scripting in Bruno. I hope this session was useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. If you have any queries, please comment your queries. I will be clearing out the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.